I absolutely hate cleaning baseboards. Today I'm testing this Amazon gadget to see if it can actually clean my baseboards without me getting on my hands and knees.
As a professional house cleaner, I get asked all the time if I would clean baseboards. So I've cleaned a lot of baseboards in my time of cleaning, and it's very tedious. As you know, if you've ever cleaned your baseboards in your home or if you professionally clean and you clean baseboards, it's a very tedious job and a back-breaking job. So I got a little gadget here that I'm going to be putting to the test to see if it works and see if it will help eliminate some of the bending and getting down on hands and knees to actually clean the baseboards. So the little gadget that I have is this little gadget right here. So on the back of it, it has like this little button you push up and down. So what that's for, it's for the little lip. This is the part that goes over the top of the baseboard. And then you have your little cleaning pads. It comes with two different colors, which is gray and white. So all you do is push, put the little cleaning pad over the Velcro and just smooth it out right there. This is the part that's going to go over the top part of your baseboard. Like I said, this is Velcro. This comes off and this can be reusable. Also, it's got the attachments that are very easy to put together. As you can see, the attachments, there is 3 of them, and all you're doing is just screwing them in to one another. This is the top part, and it's very easy and it's very long. So if you're a tall person, this is a very long little attachment, and your attachments just screw into the bottom part of this, which is very easy. So we are going to be going over my baseboards in my home with this little cleaning gadget, and I will come back and let you know what I thought of this little baseboard cleaner and if I would recommend it to you or not. Stay tuned.
First, we're going to be testing it on my baseboards. My baseboards was pretty dirty, so I wanted to see exactly how this baseboard little duster worked. Next, we're going to be testing out this other little gadget that came with the baseboard duster. So I wanted to try this on some of the stubborn dirt on my baseboards, and actually I was pretty impressed with it. It's not for baseboards, it's generally for tile and windows, but I wanted to test it on my baseboards too. So it seems to be getting off all of the dirt that is on my baseboards, and it's an easier way to clean your baseboards without actually having to bend over to clean them hard spots that just won't come off with the microfiber pads. Next, I am doing the crown molding. I wanted to see how this went over my crown molding as well. And once I got it adjusted to the crown molding, it slid over the crown molding just fine. It could come in handy for your crown molding as well, whether it's high or low. Mine just sits in the middle of my room, so I decided to go over that, and it was pretty dusty, so yeah, it cleaned it pretty well as well. So I'm a little impressed with this little gadget that I got from Amazon. I also wanted to try it on the walls to see how it went over the walls, and it slid over the walls pretty good. So if you got like a couple little things on your walls and you just want to get it off real quick, this little gadget can do that for you with the microfiber pads. They stick right onto that little gadget, and I was able to do my whole walls. We're gonna paint the hallway here, but I wanted to go over the wall real quick just to see how well this little gadget actually worked, and it slid over my walls very, very nicely. With the little microfiber pads that it came with, it just really went over my walls very nicely. So, but we are going to be painting them walls. But if you're not in the market of painting your walls and you want a little gadget to kind of help wash your walls, this might be what you're looking for. I was impressed. Now, listen, my walls are semi-gloss. I probably wouldn't put this over a flat paint wall because it may not work well with flat paint, but this is semi-gloss, so therefore I felt it was safe to go over my walls with it. And I tell you, we lived in the house for 5 years, and it's just my husband and I. So it's taken a while for us to get through the whole house and do exactly what we want to the house. So that's why I'm giving this a good little wash down before we even paint it. But we are going to be painting this wall, and maybe I will put this in a future video as well. So I can show you some of the paint that I absolutely love to paint with. It makes cleaning so much easier when you are needing to go over your walls or even baseboards. It makes cleaning so much easier with the paint that I love. But yep, this little gadget, I do like it, but as you see my dog's in the background, I have animals, so dog hair can get on everything, even your baseboards. So I think this little tool might be something that you're looking for.
So what do I think? So what do I think about this baseboard tool that I got? Um, I liked it, and I definitely recommend this little tool if you are looking for a tool that's going to save you time. Actually, get the dust and dirt off of your baseboards without you needing to get down on hands and knees to actually clean your baseboards. This can help you save time and actually get the dirt and the dust off of your baseboards. I will put this in the link below just in case you're interested in looking at this product. It was $18.99 on Amazon. Let me know in the comments, how do you clean your baseboards? Do you clean them with a tool? I would love to know what you're using. Do you do them on hands and knees? Let's chat in the comments about what you do for your baseboards. How do you clean them? If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Let me know. This lets me know that you want to see more videos like this. And until next time, I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.